Hello, and welcome to this video from Zenitel Academy. Here we will show you how to configure an input of the TKIS2, used with an AlphaCom or an ICX platform. We will look at two different cases. The first case is to use the input to set up a regular call. This is a typical scenario when the TKIS is used as a kit to build a customized intercom unit. Start the Alpha Pro configuration tool. In the Users and Stations menu, select the TKIS from the user list. Then select the button DAK. The input number 1 of the TKIS is mapped to dock entry number 11. The input number 2 is mapped to dock entry number 12, etc. Enter the number to call when the input is activated. Alpha Pro will automatically add the letter I in front of the number. The I means that the number is dialed from idle. Then we send the changes to the server. In case number 2, we want the input to trigger one action when the input is activated, and some other action when the input is deactivated. For example, to start and stop a pre-recorded voice message. To achieve this, we must use the event handler. First, remove any entry in the dock table. Select the button Events, and insert a new event. Select event type 30, and sub-event 11. Sub-event 11 refers to input 1. Sub-event 12 would have referred to input 2. When the input is activated, the event is reported on. In the Action Command field, enter the command you want to execute when the input is triggered. In this example, the command AMG will activate voice message 2 to group number 3. Now insert a second event. Select again event type 30, and sub-event 11. When the input is deactivated, the event is reported off. In the Action Command field, enter the command you want to execute when the input goes off. In this example, the command AMG will turn off the voice message to group number 3. For a comprehensive list of available action commands, please visit the Event Handler section on Zenitel Wiki. Then we send the changes to the server. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our web pages at zenitel.com, and our wiki pages at wiki.zenitel.com.